Nestled within the confines of our mouths lies a marvel of anatomical engineering, the human tongue. Beyond its primary roles in speech and mastication, this unassuming organ possesses a fascinating and less-known ability that sets it apart in the animal kingdom. The human tongue is capable of a remarkable feat: self-cleaning. Unlike many other surfaces within the body, the tongue lacks the protective layer of skin. Instead, it is adorned with a multitude of tiny, finger-like projections called papillae. These papillae are covered in taste buds, but they also serve another crucial function. Throughout the day, countless food particles, bacteria, and other substances accumulate on the tongue's surface. To maintain its pristine condition, the tongue undergoes a continuous process of self-cleaning. The papillae, with their minute movements, act like miniature toothbrushes, gently scraping away debris and preventing the buildup of harmful microorganisms. This self-cleaning mechanism is aided by an intricate network of blood vessels beneath the tongue's surface. As blood flows through these vessels, it carries away the dislodged particles, ensuring that the tongue remains pristine and ready to perform its vital functions. The tongue's ability to self-clean is a testament to the remarkable adaptability of the human body. It is a marvel of evolutionary design, allowing us to maintain oral hygiene without the need for external tools. However, it is important to note that this self-cleaning process is not infallible. In certain circumstances, such as poor oral hygiene or certain medical conditions, debris can accumulate on the tongue, leading to the formation of a white or yellow coating known as tongue plaque. Regular brushing and flossing can help prevent this buildup, ensuring that the tongue remains healthy and functioning optimally. So, next time you marvel at the intricate workings of the human body, spare a thought for the humble tongue, a hidden gem that plays a pivotal role in maintaining our oral health and well-being.